Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my dining room tour. Happy Easter everyone. I hope you guys are staying safe out there during these difficult times. And also, I hope this video is a distraction and you guys enjoy it. I miss you all so much.
Yeah, it's our own.
Thank you.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you so much to NewAir for collaborating with me on this video. As you can see, they were so kind enough to send me this stainless steel fridge. As you will see, we did an unboxing and also I'm going to give you guys my overall thought. They also gave me a discount code. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested in any of the items that you see in this video, it will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoy. So here we have my old chairs. And now you're gonna see my new ones. Ta-da! They are so pretty, so comfortable, much sturdier than the ones that we used to have. Alright, so let me start with the rug. The rug that I have here, I had it for over a year. Most of the time I keep my rugs for a year. After that, they get kind of old and dirty and worn out, so I get rid of them.
Hulk smash. I do need.
As I was getting ready to decorate, Leo and Diego decided to give me a hand. They're like, can we help you? I'm like, sure. You guys can move the chairs so that I can change the rug. Next thing you know, Leo's doing cartwheels and Diego is following along. Alright, so I did get rid of this carpet. I did not want it. I thought I could use it somewhere else, but I'm like, you know what? Nah, it's fine. It has to go. It took me a while to commit to a rug. I tried looking online and I couldn't find anything until I stumbled upon this one. And it is actually perfect. I love the color, the texture. It is a little bigger than the one that we used to have. The one that we used to have, it was 5x7. This is 6x9. So it looks much better with the chairs. I love it. First, I was freaking out because the color, I was like, I don't know if it's going to work out with my home because I do have a bunch of little ones. They might get it dirty fast, but it has been almost 3 weeks since I purchased this rug and it's actually pretty good. You can't even tell that it has any stains, or actually it hasn't got dirty, which is good. But yeah, I'm loving it, you guys. It looks really, really nice. I decided to keep all of my mixtiles. I was going to get rid of them, but they're too pretty. I couldn't do it. I was going to move them to the stairway, but I think they look better right here. So we're just going to keep them there. And I think it flows nicely with the decor. I've been having this console table for quite a while. And to be honest, I'm ready to do something new. I saw one that I really like, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. I want to purchase it, but not anytime soon. I'm going to show you guys how the dining chair covers look. Look how dirty these cushions are after Athena, Leo, Rosa, and Diego used them. So that's the reason why I bought the covers. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like with the covers on. And this is the before, and I'm going to show you the after. And here you have the after. I love that I can always remove the covers and wash them because the kids will get them dirty. And also it gives the room a different vibe. I don't have to be shopping for chairs that often anymore because I can always just buy different covers. But it looks so pretty. Let me know in the comments down below if you like them. And if you're interested in purchasing your own chair covers, I will have a link down below. I highly, highly, highly recommend them. I love how I went from cool tones to warm tones, and I think it's the best decision I have made, although I was scared at first because I do have children that are really young and they can get everything dirty. Luckily, the covers were, oh my god, they were amazing, and they are amazing. I have them on right now.
Hello, one deal. What's this?
It's a surprise.
And here we are unboxing our new fridge from NewAir. We were so excited when we saw it. It is so sleek and nice, as you will see.
Leo's so excited.
Oh my god, I'm
Wow.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, can you back up?
Leo, what are we gonna put inside the fridge?
My toys?
No, no toys. Are we gonna put cheese?
Yes.
One of the things this fridge has is a button where you push and a light turns on. It is so cool, as you can see right here.
In the way, in the bottom.
There you go.
Our new fridge holds a lot of drinks. We had to have our little juices and of course water because I do drink a lot of water. I believe you can put up to 50 bottles of water in there just in that area, like in that area where Leo is placing them. So ladies, I shopped my home. I decided to bring this tray from my makeup room and I placed it on my dining room and it looks gorgeous. I love it. It's very rustic glam. I love that little detail with the, what's it called? The swirls. That's like my thing. So yeah, I moved a lot of the decor around because I wanted to play with it. And it's also a great way to decorate.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
Nice. I like that it has a glass door so I can see when I'm running low on things. I wanted to get more drinks, but those are the only ones that I had at the moment. But be sure to check out my Instagram. I'm going to be posting more pictures when I do get a chance to go to the market and fill up my new fridge. This is a perfect place for the fridge. It's right next to my little desk and also here in our dining room. So it's perfect. The kids can just come and grab a drink and go on with their day. At the bottom you can place more drinks, but I just didn't have any more, and since we're quarantined right now, I couldn't go get more. And this right here is an area where I spend most of the time editing and also browsing online, looking for deals. And yeah, pretty much this is where I hang out in the middle of the night. I love the fact that I have my new fridge right there. The kids love it. They love grabbing like drinks, and also I also put some little cheese strings in there. So they want a snack, they just go and grab it. My overall thoughts of the fridge is that it's really nice. I love that it's not too big, not too small. Like I mentioned, the glass door, it is amazing. And also if you have a family room, that fridge would be so nice in there. Also office, man cave, a makeup room. I did think about bringing it upstairs for my makeup room too, but I think right now this is the best place to have it so that the kids can use it as well. And here's my dining room without the covers on the chairs. It gives it a whole different vibe, which I love. I'm gonna order different colors so that get creative with the colors and options that they have. If you guys are interested in your own chair covers, I will have a link down below, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got inspired and got some ideas on how you can make your home look beautiful without having to spend so much money. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite look, with the covers or without the covers. To be honest, I love both, so I will play around. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Thank you so much to NewAir for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, I'll have a link down below for the same fridge that was sent to me and also a discount code. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.